welcome to the Flowtify HACCP Web Dashboard tutorials. In this episode, we explain how to work with irregularities in the issue section.
The colored numbers on a branch tile give you an instant overview of accumulated irregularities. You find the issue section on branch level. Next, click on your branch and select the Issues tile to resolve open irregularities. Let's get a quick understanding of the Flowtify color coding of issues. Red summarizes all unfinished tasks. If too many issues pop up in this category, consider that the total number of given tasks might be too much for a specific day or shift. Maybe rebalancing the workload among your team could ease the problem in the future. If there are other reasons that repeatedly lead to expired tasks, use Flowtify reports for a fact-based discussion with your team. If necessary, point out the function of deactivation to prevent that too many tasks expire undone. Purple shows all failed tasks. These tasks have been confirmed using the purple button within the Flowtify app. Failed tasks are not bad in principle, because staff members have left a comment as to why they reported a task as failed. This information will usually help you to initiate appropriate action in due time. Orange highlights all deviated tasks. This may be the case with yes or no questions or temperature measurements. Orange tasks are also helpful as employees are immediately made aware of the deviation when completing tasks. By the way, you can search for specific tasks using the menu bar. You can also filter by areas. This is very helpful when various managers are allowed to solve issues in the same branch. To resolve an irregularity, first select the desired category. Tap on the date to see all issues of this day. Ticking the box in front of the date selects all tasks within that day. Alternatively, you can select or deselect one or several boxes. Now the selected tasks can either be marked as solved or reopened. In this case, let's solve them. When selecting Mark as solved, the appropriate reason can be chosen from a drop-down list. Alternatively, choose Other and enter an individual reason why you could solve this issue. When reopening tasks, they will reappear in the app and must be processed again within a given time. In both cases, the corresponding tasks are removed from the Issue section. Everything you do within the Issue section has a positive effect on your branch statistics, for example in the comparison report. The Comments section, highlighted in blue, is more like a nice-to-have in the Issue section, since it has no effect on the actual status of a task. The section shows all tasks for which an employee has left a comment, regardless of the task status. To read a comment, open the task. Once you have read the information, click on the blue button to mark it done. You can also leave a reply. However, your reply will only be displayed within the app as long as the task is active. If the checklist that contains the reply has expired, the employee will no longer see your comment. Now let's quickly summarize the most important learnings about dealing with issues. Issues stay in the Issue section until they have been resolved by someone, no matter how long this will take. That is why we strongly advise to regularly go through the accumulated issues and resolve them as soon as possible. Keep in mind that too many open irregularities will not reflect well on your documentation.
We hope this tutorial was exactly what you were looking for. Give it a like if it was helpful, subscribe if you want to stay up to date about new features.